Why are customers leaving on other platforms like Angie or Nextdoor and not leaving them on your Google page where it really counts? I got the answers to that and more on this video. There's two major reasons why they're doing that. And I've got a couple of suggestions, three quick fixes you can make to get them to start leaving more on Google. Let's dive right in. First, I want you to check out the link in the description of this video. There's a playlist where you can access all of the videos we've ever done on reviews and review getting. I think you'll find it helpful in addition to this one. Now, the first thing you want to look at is the reason why they're leaving these reviews on other platforms. It's pretty simple. The answer is friction. There's more friction to putting it on Google than there is where they're currently putting it right now. And that might be related to the user habits, or the second thing that I wanted to mention, the channel in which they've engaged with you. So if a customer engaged you through Angie, they're most likely going to leave you a review on Angie. If they engaged you through a Facebook group, they're going to probably leave the review on Facebook because that's where they found you. Same thing with Nextdoor and several other platforms. So both of these reasons, the friction and the channel in which they found you, greatly impact where they're going to leave the review. And so if they're not being prompted, or it's not being made easy or more obvious to leave a review on Google, this is why this is occurring in the first place. And so the overarching thing you need to take forward is to change up your review strategy, create a system around it so that you start getting them on Google specifically versus just getting them here and there on these other platforms. So the three things that I would recommend you make changes to, okay, are in your follow-up. Okay, this is assuming you're going to put some kind of system in place if you don't already have one. Again, check the link in the description of this video for the playlist where we have everything about systems, automation, and things like that, and brush up, figure out, put some things in place. The first thing is to make Google the only option for follow-up. So in the follow-up messaging, text messages, emails, your phone call follow-ups, make Google the primary, if not the only option. When you make it the only option and you're not mentioning other sources and places, naturally you will get more reviews in that direct area, in this case, Google. The second thing that I would do to fix this issue of customers leaving reviews on other places and not Google is to do something with print. Okay, business cards, leave behinds, direct mail follow-up, put a QR code on those pieces of print material and put a call to action on there. You know, scan this code, leave us a review. That's a very simple one. There's other ways that you can dress it up, but giving them something physical, again, that directs them to Google, not other places, will drive those reviews from these other platforms over here. The third and final thing might seem obvious, but it's important. When you ask the customer for a review upon completion of the service, you're asking them, will you leave us a review on Google? And they're going to respond in a number of different ways. Okay, if they say they don't have Google, but they have these other platforms, there's not much that you can do about it. But if they do have Google, it's going to be a really easy way to then follow up with them, give them the QR code, or send them a link via text message or email follow-up. Again, we got tons of videos on automation and the best way to set these things up. By being specific about Google, they're going to leave it on Google versus the other platform. So keep this in mind. The channel in which you're finding people is most likely the channel in which they will leave the review. If you don't layer in some form of guidance, they're going to leave it where they're going to leave it. But if you follow these steps and these fixes that I gave you here today, you will direct them over to Google and you'll start increasing the percentage that are happening there. You can't stop people from leaving it in these other places because that's where they found you, but you can influence them to leave it in the place where it really matters, which is Google search, where most people are finding your home service company. Okay, so if you got questions about reviews, about automation, you can book a call with the link in the description below this video with me or somebody from our team, help you get review automation set up, as well as look at your overall marketing strategy. We can help you design something in the future that helps you get more reviews and also capitalize on those reviews, get more visibility online, drive more sales and leads, increase that top line. There's a lot of things that we can solve with our marketing solutions here at Digital Harvest. It'd be my honor to work with you on developing a strategy moving forward. That being said, I appreciate you for watching our video. Catch you in the next one. Bye for now. Thanks so much for watching my video. If you like this one, you'll love some of the other videos we have posted here on our channel that help blue-collar business owners get more out of their digital marketing. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, check out the other videos, and if you got questions or comments, post them below. I look forward to catching you on the next video. Bye for now.